Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today I want to talk about a brand new token, INIT USDT trading pair with my customer set. First of all, guys, congrats if you receive your airdrop. If you still not, or maybe you missed, I highly recommend you go and check if you get a chance to get free tokens if you participate, of course, in activity for this airdrop. So we're gonna analyze the INIT token on a Bybit. Listing price on a Bybit was 10 cents, on a Binance 20 cents. So I'm gonna use the lowest point. We use INITIA accumulation pump model. How to work with this model, I'll recommend you go and check free educational video. So this is a model what I use personally for tokens after listing. So we work with zone of interest. First of all, guys, never say never, because anything can happen. Even the people who scream at the Celestia will never drop to under $10, dump it even to $3. So this is a zone of interest, guys. This is the first zone of interest. This is the second one. Let's mark the color like this one and the green one. Where to accumulate is only up to you. You know, I only start looking some tokens when we drop to first zone of interest. After that, I'm looking on a BTC, I'm looking on the vesting schedule, on the unlocks, on a fundraising rounds, and double check the FDV and the market capitalization. So no makes sense to hop into token if we get a crazy unlocks, you know, upcoming every single month, you know, and you just blindly hop in, for example, here and wish to see up only charts. Yes, of course, we got a chance to see the up only charts because maybe the money will inflow into alts. But I remind you, the chart of Celestia looks like this one, rainbow one. So just be careful. And also, it's only up to you where to accumulate. You can accumulate even now if it's okay for you for the spot position. If you trade it with the futures, so with the perps, you know, with leverages, I highly recommend you anyway use the stop loss. You can use the stop loss even on spot trades. So zone of interest, first one, it's a daily time frame, 42 cents 80, 35 6, 24 4, and 19 18. So this is it. Zone of fixation swing trades is this 27 block. So you can mark it. We can come back to this video later, I guess, in May, by end of May, beginning of June, we can come back to this video and double check what's going on. So if we'll drop to first zone of interest from this current prices, this can be 46% down, 56% down, 70 and 76. After 78, 75% correction, if the token not a pure scam, usually it's okay time for accumulation. But keep in mind, guys, 75% down, it doesn't mean it's only 75% down, so we can bounce back 75 and you will be at the break even. No, to out of the break even, you need to recover back 300% gain. So this is how it works. You know, it's a like math trick. So now I'm gonna show you the with indication with this one with the indicator set. What's going on locally with this token, guys? So I recommend you go into CryptoRank and double check the allocations, the vesting schedule, you know, and all of this stuff, guys. Also, you have to understand the BTC pumped from 79K to 95, and now would be good to see the correction at least next week, because we got a 5 days in a row Bitcoin ETF. Money inflow, you know, so I think the next week can be the correction. People also once again will start complaining about, oh, it's a scam, crypto, it's a scam. But guys, a lot of tokens pump it, even like Alpaca, the token which should be delisted from exchanges, pump it from 2 cents to 21 cents. The Voxel pump it from 2 cents to 17 cents. A lot of alts pump it like crazy, a lot of. Right, so we get a chance, we get a time to accumulate tokens, we get a time to distribute tokens. That's the swings, that's the swing trades. So let's go to 4 hour time frame here. This is still INITIA. So there's nothing good, you know, for this token after listing. We got people who I'm more than sure they receive a lot of tokens totally for free, you know, because they participated with multi-hacking. So even in 1 hour time frame. Here's a INITIA middle zone, so this is not accumulation. Time for accumulation will be here. Direction we drop it down, but not at the bottom. So guys, I don't see any bullish signals now. Can we pump, for example, from this area 42%? Of course we can. But guys, a risk reward. Money power, 4 hour time frame. There is no data. 1 hour time frame. Here's a money outflow, drop. Money inflow, tiny pump. So if you trade intraday, I highly recommend you use the money power and all this set for intraday. Now, nothing, guys, nothing. No positive signals for this token after listing. Sell on 1 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I still no signal, but guys, what's the point to accumulate token at 80 cents if you can start accumulate only with DCA at 42? If the token not dropped to so low, you just skip the token. It's pretty simple. Take profit, guys. Indicator 1 hour time frame. No data. Let's check the 30-minute time frame here. Yes, we can pump to the take profit line. It's $1.06. Buy line now it's 53 cents 45. Fundamental wall of the token 39.93. So it's pretty simple, guys. I highly recommend you, no rush, just take some time. Invalidation, guys, of this idea if the token dump on the listing price. If we'll drop like this one, zone of fixation, 100% pump, you withdraw initial deposit. And this is a next zone of fixation profit. So guys, build the realistic price targets for each token, you know, because a lot of people do the same mistake because they ignore the initiation accumulation pump model. You know, it's total for free strategy, and stock in just 100 of tokens which listed 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about INITIA. If you'd like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time.